WILUG building block sports car set from Temu. And from what I can see, this is supposed to be a Lamborghini Sian FPK37 or something like that. We'll see in a minute, well, after I build it anyway. And then here's the back of the box. So you can see there's not a whole lot of identifying stuff. It just says building block toy, WILUG, and the address of who made it. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so once we got in the box there, we can see the instructions say Project Machine. And when you open up the instructions, oh, sticker sheet. And looks like a pretty decent set of instructions. And hopefully that's what we'll end up with at the end. So let's get started. There it is, the WILUG Project Machine, aka Lamborghini Sian. Pretty cool model, I gotta say. It's a little bigger than the Porsche that I built before. It has some nice details, the taillights and tailpipes and everything, and some cool opening features. The hood and the doors. Even has that trademark Lamborghini scissor door thing going on there. And it came out pretty nice. So there you go. That is the WILUG Project Machine. Please let me know what you think in the comments, or if any of you have also built this, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.